This is a new video and very useful and very beneficial for you. So don't miss this video if you want to learn a self-defense technique, an enemy when he attack you with a stick. So let's start the video. If someone hits you with a stick, he hits you so far that you can't defend yourself immediately. If you move forward, his elbow may hit you like this, and your head may become injured. And now we will tell you the technique, and if you are a martial artist, then you can do this technique. And if you are not a martial artist, then we will tell you the another technique in this video. So watch very carefully. If you are a martial artist, then you can immediately hit your front kick on his stomach, as you can see in the video like this. And now here, watch again. When it comes to you, you stand like this, and you know a martial artist stand in fight like this way. When he hits you, immediately attack on his stomach with your front kick, then kick on his thigh and punch on his face. This technique a martial artist, and if you have to know a basic martial arts, then you can also do this technique. Watch again. Hit and kick on his thigh and punch on his face like this. Now we will tell you the technique number 2. This is a very useful, and all person can learn this technique. When he attacks you, take a side position immediately like this way, and keep your left hand in this position like this. Watch again, like this, and grab him from the back side and cover his both arms with your arms. And now take step forward, and now here his balance going to out. Now push him down and punch on his face. Now he full under of control. Guys, now this technique we will show you from the other side. Now we show you like a real. So technique number 1, when he attacks you, kick. Now kick on punch on his face. Now technique number 2, for all person. When he hits you, take a side position, grab him from the back side, grab. Again watch how to grab, like this, side position. Now grab his both arms, now balance out and throw him down like this way. Guys, now I'll show you this technique in fast motion, how it works in real. So let's start. Guys, if you like these techniques, then must tell us in comment box. And if you want to learn more interesting videos, then please subscribe our channel and share video with your friends. And please support us our channel. Thank you.